Happy Friday, 8th graders, and welcome to your last day before Easter break. You made it. Again, I just want to say good job. I'm just so proud of your work and your communication. You have stepped up to the plate to this distance learning thing. We are still learning, we are still serving, and I am proud of you. Thank you for being Colossians 3:23 people and just working at it with all your heart. Today, we are done with chapter 9. We ended yesterday with people not being super happy with John Adams. Even members of his own party aren't happy with him, which is going to open up the Democratic Republicans to taking the 1800 election. But we are going to jump into chapter 10 next Monday. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to look at a video sent to me by John Thune. Some of you know Mitchell Nelson. His dad works for John Thune. So Ryan Nelson and John Thune made this video that gives us an inside look at the branches of government. It fits perfectly to what we talked about in chapter 8, and I was so thankful. I actually emailed both of them and said thank you on behalf of all of us. So this is a video produced by John Thune, and I would like you to watch it and take these notes as you watch. He's going to start by telling us a little bit about himself. So pick 3 facts about him that you learn to fill in there. Then he's going to give us a brief overview of the 3 branches of government. So pick 3 facts there and answer these questions. None of this is going to surprise you. You're going to feel so smart because we just studied all of that. Then he's going to go a little bit more in depth of how the House works in particular. And I left you a couple timestamps here so that you know when he goes on to the next thing. But give me 3 details that he explains about how the House of Representatives works. Then he goes on to talk about how the Senate works, and he is a senator, so he's going to talk about that firsthand. Again, here are the timestamps for that discussion. Tell me 3 things that you learned about how the Senate works. There's one that I want you to answer, and that is, why is it particularly hard to get things passed in the Senate? He talks about that for a little while. Then he ends just with a little bit of encouragement and some advice. So I have you fill in the blank there with that. And then that probably will take you 20 minutes tops. And really, that's all I have for you, other than anytime today between 10 and 3, I want you to click this link and just say hi to me. Say hi, happy Easter. I would just love to see you all and connect with you all, even if just for a few seconds. I won't take up a lot of your time. And then after you've met with me, you can check the box there to say that that is done, and that's all you have to do for me. All right. It's a little shorter lesson, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of a gift too, just to remind you, maybe give you one small visual of the gift that you've given, the best gift that we've been given, and that is the gift of salvation that we're celebrating next week. Just remember, friends, that Jesus loves you, and he showed that to you because he died for you, and now you are free to just live for him and live and experience the most true joy, the most true peace, the most true light. So happy Easter. Enjoy watching the video. I look forward to saying hi to you. May it be a great day and a great week off from school.